Right now, let me talk about how you can use motion and fitness on the Apple Watch. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So, of course, you want to make sure that your Apple Watch is set up and paired properly and that you actually wear it on the wrist so all of these sensors can work. But when it comes to these settings, you just go to the Watch app on your iPhone, which is like the remote setting app for the actual Apple Watch. And in here, you get to control everything, right? So the most important part is the privacy section where all of these sensors and the toggles for them are located. So for example, you want to make sure that, for motion and fitness, you use the heart rate and all of the other temperature and all of the other sensors which are available in here. And most importantly, at the bottom, you can see we have the fitness tracking. So that is most definitely supposed to be enabled. And if you feel like it hasn't been working the best lately, you can also click on Reset Fitness Calibration and Data. So you could kind of have like a fresh start on your fitness tracking, right? So that's definitely something that you can do. Outside of that, of course, make sure that you generally keep your watch up to date. So, you always get the latest features. And yeah, just wear your watch on the wrist so it can actually use all of these sensors. And if you want to specifically track a workout, then you can see that we have the dedicated workouts app and you can start like running or like walking, exercise, whatever it might be. But then it's just solely going to focus on that with all of the, power and focus just on that activity. So that's how you can do this. If there is something else which is still not really like working on your device, let me know about it below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.